Hi, I'm Mitch Prensky, and today we're making a delicious carrot and orange soup with coconut yogurt and mint. In order to start our soup off, we have to go to the stove here and take a pot, a little bit of cooking spray. Spray our pot. We kind of have it getting a little warm already. I have a little bit of chopped shallots. We don't want to chop them up any way fancy because we're going to puree the soup later on. Just kind of put them in the pan, get them moving around a bit. The next thing I'm going to add is some chopped carrots. And this is a great, really fresh tasting soup. And what I want to do here is I want to sweat the vegetables. And when we say sweat, we mean to saute without color. So I leave sort of a low flame going here. Keep stirring it, and I'll put a lid on it so that the heat kind of comes up and steams the vegetables a little bit. Just stir it often until the vegetables soften. It takes about like 10 minutes or so. Once these vegetables have sweated a bit and they kind of start to give off their juices, we add a little bit of fresh carrot juice. I also like to add a little bit of water, or you can add some chicken stock. And we add a little bit of fresh squeezed orange juice as well. The acidity of the orange juice kind of cuts the sweetness of the carrots. It's kind of a play on the flavors that you might get in sort of a carrot cake, having the coconut in the end. And what I like to do is put the lid on and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what we have. We have an immersion blender here. If you don't have that, you can also use a regular bar blender or a food processor. You just kind of put it in here. You just want to continue blending with your immersion blender. We have a nice smooth consistency here. I'm going to finish that off with a little fresh orange zest. Put the lid on it, and we're just going to cover that and keep it warm while we make our coconut yogurt. Now we're going to make our coconut yogurt. It's a delicious, creamy topping to this very fresh carrot and orange soup that we have. We have a little bit of a non-fat Greek yogurt here, and this is coconut powder. Now, if you can't find coconut powder, it's very easy to find in Asian supermarkets, but if you can't find it, you can actually use coconut extract, and it's equally as good. Kind of add a little bit of that in there. This is fresh chopped mint. That goes right in the bowl. And then we like to put in just a little touch of honey. Kind of sweeten it up just a little bit. We have some nice sweetness from the carrots and the orange in the soup already. That's just going to kind of balance it out a little bit. We just kind of whisk up these ingredients here. And that's our finished garnish right over there. And now I'm just going to plate up our soup. We've had our soup here, keeping warm. And we're just going to ladle out some of this soup. It's good hot, good chilled in the summer. And we're going to garnish with a little bit of this coconut yogurt that has some mint in it. Very nice, fresh flavors. And to make it pretty, a little orange segment, a little sprig of mint. And that is our carrot and orange soup with coconut yogurt and mint.